Hey guys, I'm Alena and welcome to my channel. So I'll be helping you out with French. So let's start with the basics. So when we learn a language, we need to know where it is spoken and information about that country. So French is widely spoken in France. In French we say it as France, but write it as France only. So now we'll talk about France. So the capital of France is Paris, and in French we say it as Paris, but the spelling is same. The shape of France is hexagon. In French it's hexagon. We just add an E in the spelling, it's hexagon. And one of the famous monument, Eiffel Tower, is located in France. In French we say it as La Tour Eiffel. Here's the spelling, La Tour Eiffel. And one of the famous river of France is La Seine. So now we'll talk about the French flag. So this is how the French flag looks. It is divided into three portions with the colors blue, white and red filled in it. As it has three colors, it is known as tricolor, and in French we say it as le tricolore. So the colors are blue, white and red, and in French it's bleu, blanc, rouge. Bleu, blanc, rouge, le tricolore. Now we'll discuss why France is famous. So the first point is wine. In French we say it as le vin. Then French bread, la baguette. Then fashion, French fashion, of course it's famous, la mode. Then we have cheese, le fromage. And then we have perfume, le parfum. So we have le vin, la baguette, la mode, le fromage and le parfum. So now we are going to do the French alphabets. So let's begin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So let's revise once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. In French we say G as J and J as G. So G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So now we are going to do numbers from 1 to 10. So this is the spelling and this is the pronunciation. The first is un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, seize, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Once again, un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, seize, sept, huit, neuf and dix. So that was all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you.